So I'm starting off on this interesting adventure here, kind of mash my love of art and music and bike riding and making movies. So this will be interesting. As long as I don't get completely lost, this should turn out pretty awesome. If you can control yourself not to just skip to the end of the video, see if you can guess what it is I'm making here, and then it'll be revealed at the end. So this should be pretty interesting. Hopefully I don't run out of battery. I will keep checking in from time to time, let you know how I'm doing. Let's ride. So I must have looked like the most lost person down there for a while. Any guesses to what it's gonna be? No, I don't blame you. Definitely putting my GPS to the test here though. Note to self, doing this in the future, maybe not do it in the steepest, hilliest area of Bend. Sorry about the cars. Let's keep riding. This is pretty awesome out here. So that's Pilot Butte right there that I ride up all the time. You can see it. Pretty cool. Just had to stop for a second. Check out that view. It's pretty cool way up here. Probably wondering, what is he doing? And I'll be honest with you, I'm wondering the same. I have no idea if this is gonna work at all. It's my first time ever trying to do anything like this. So you're joining me for one heck of a ride. Celebrating art and electric biking and a lot of hills. Let's keep going. So I thought I'd stop and just do a quick brief check-in. I think I'm a little over halfway. If you guys have any guesses of what this is gonna be, just leave them in the comments below. If you're already liking this video, go ahead and give it a like. Appreciate that. And if this works out, I'm gonna do more of these on my channel, so you can subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of stuff. But a big reason that I'm stopping is because of this. It's pretty cool up here. Super calm day. Sunny and nice. You can see snow on the mountains. Those are all the Cascades. Pretty awesome. You might even be able to see way down there. So way down there, that's Mount Hood. Pretty cool. So we're gonna keep drawing and riding. Let's get to it. So I'll finish back here at the end. Got the little RadExpand 5, still trucking along. Ended up being about 20 miles in all. It was my first attempt at doing one of those. So it's the best thing I could do to get George Washington on Mount Washington Drive. And hopefully it turned out pretty cool. And I will see you guys on the next one.